Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. Today is a really cool day because today is another mail call. That's right. It's been a little while since I've had one of these, but today I've received one, and it is from Chris Tackett. Now, Chris Tackett has a YouTube channel. It's called Chris's Workshop. Hey, it kind of goes with what my name is. And now he's really kind of just getting started. This is his sticker. He's just getting started. He's only got a couple videos. And they're not necessarily building anything. It's more or less just kind of starting his channel, getting him started, and kind of interesting, I thought. I watched one about them moving his new workshop shed into position and getting rid of the old one. So I'm sure there's going to be some cool videos coming. But I wanted to share with you guys this. We're going to go ahead and add this to my board. Kind of running out of space here. Go put him right there. Some might be a little hard to tell from here. The glare is kind of hitting it funny. But I'm going to put links in the description of this video for you to go check out his channel. Subscribe to his channel. I know he's going to have a lot of cool stuff coming. So check him out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in the next mail call.